why this process has to be so complicated. I tried so many times to change Facebook page name, but it's just this setting is hidden. Seriously, I know they updated Facebook and they just changed exactly where you have to go to change Facebook page name. So now it's kind of complicated, to be quite honest. Because if you go here to settings privacy, and now I guess that's my intuition was telling me to go here, to go in settings, and here I should find some settings, but it's not there. If you switch back here, and now you go to page settings, settings. So there's no setting here related to your page, but you can also click on pages here if you should see your pages you manage. And now if you the right method, or now where you have to go to change page name, which is totally in a different location, is you have to switch. You can switch your profile from here. I believe if you also no, here, no. Okay, if you click on here on this arrow that's pointing down, if you click here, you can see here your profile and here your page. If you click on your page, now selecting, switching to my page, and now if I go down here and click on settings and privacy, but yeah, if you're not in your page, then you won't see this. You will see the settings, but you won't see this setting that I'm about to show you. If you click here on settings, now you see this page settings, but you have to switch from your profile, from your personal account to your page if you want to see this option here, which is this one, page settings. I hope it's clear. I hope is clear here. So yeah, now just click on page settings, and from here we have name. As you can see, now click on name, and now we can change our name of our page. So click on here, make sure, keep in mind that if you won't be able to change it again for 60 days, and now click on here. And from here now you can change this name. How to browser. Make sure guys you leave a like and subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. Really took me a lot of time to find the settings. I really appreciate if you leave a like and subscribe, and also drop your comments down below. This will really help with the engagement. And now click on review changes, and now you have a new preview your new name. This is how your name will appear on your profile: current page name and new page name. And now please, you just have to enter here your Facebook password, and that's pretty much what you have to do. Now click on save changes, and now successfully you changed your Facebook page name. And that's how you change Facebook page name. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.